challenge today is to recreate 3 popular New Zealand takeaways: pizza, fish and chips, and burger.
Hey, Andrea.
Hey.
So this is your pizza?
Yeah.
And this is your pizza stone?
Yeah, just toasting some walnuts at the moment and just drizzling them with honey. Yeah.
You okay on time?
I'm happy, just
Good
a bit
luck.
under pressure, but it's good pressure.
How many people have just taken their pizza stone, put their pizza on it, made their pizza on the stone, and then put the whole stone into the oven?
Just been looking at Andrea. She doesn't know what this thing's for.
No.
She's put her pizza onto the cold pizza stone. What she should have done, of course, is put the pizza stone in the oven, got it really hot.
If they had that pizza stone in the oven and they had that oven turned up as high as they could, they should be able to make them 6 minutes before they need them.
Yeah.
Now they're going to take, who knows, 20 minutes?
I know.
Okay, guys, you've got just over 30 minutes to go, and that is going to go so fast. We need to see fish and chips, a burger, and a beautiful pizza. Don't be the one that gets taken out today.
Did you hear that? 30 minutes. 30 minutes. I'm way behind.
So these are my snapper skin chips.
They're going to go in the deep fryer shortly. I don't know. They could just explode. Who knows?
Yeah, I know. Do you ever be sort of quiet and...
I'm not. I'm panicking inside now.
You are?
I don't think I've got enough time.
Thought I had everything organised, and 2 hours was plenty long for me.
How's your pizza stone?
Pizza stone, I've got to heat it up first.
Okay. You could heat it now if you
I'll
want.
heat it, and then I cook my base first, and then I...
Talking and working? Yeah.
The pressure got to me, and I wasn't working to my potential. I just was fumbling around. I kept running for things, and I just left things to the last minute.
Just over 15 minutes to go. Get it cooking, guys. Whoa! This is what, a family pizza for the whole family? It's massive, Brendan.
It is. It's for the
It's going to keep
whānau.
everybody happy, but is it going to get off that tray, mate?
That's the question.
Yeah, a little... Yeah, there we go.
Thanks, bro.
Beautiful, yes. That's what we want to see, perfect. Dave, you're almost done. Reckon the dough's cooked all the way through? You're not convinced, are you?
Here's a little bit more.
You will leave a little bit for us, eh?
Yes, of course.
Anna, how you going for time?
Oh, man,
And you
I'm
haven't
really panicking. I
You haven't
know.
got your fish in.
I know.
What's going on? This is not you.
It's not me.
You got to get over the line, girl.
I know.
Come on. How long's this been on for? What
About
temperature?
2 minutes.
2 minutes?
Yeah.
Never used a hot fryer. I should have had that on way early because I wasn't sure how long it takes to cook the fish.
You're better than this. You're a great cook, and I need to see 3 dishes up.
I know. I'm panicking.
It went out of control, actually. I was all over the place. It was embarrassing.
5 minutes to go, everybody. Just 5 minutes. Josh, Anna hasn't even got her fish cooking yet. Her deep fry's been on for 2 minutes. Why doesn't she just pan fry it? Just some olive oil in the pan and she could get it there for us. Yeah. But she's waiting for the fryer.
She is panic-stricken and she knows she's going down.
2 minutes left, everybody. 2 minutes.
The last couple of minutes of the challenge, I can't actually remember because I was just...
I had to cut the pizza into pieces and get it into the box, and I'll be honest, it looks like the pizza boy arranged it after he dropped it.
Wow, you got a burger bun? And that's what I call a massive burger. But do you think that it's cooked? It looks kind of pale on the outside.
Fingers crossed.
1 minute left, everybody. 1 minute. When the clock stops, you stop. And the food comes the way it is.
Ouch. This is what happens when you're under pressure. Everything goes everything but right.
Fingers crossed I've left myself enough time to finish everything off.
Chips, pizza, pizza.
It's not ready yet.
30 seconds to go, guys. I'll tell you, we will not be tasting food from the oven. It needs to be on a plate.
Plating up.
was sort of a last 10-20 second mad dash.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up, guys. Step away from your benches.
Stop. Get away from the benches.
Just didn't have enough time, just ran out of time. I was supposed to pull my pizza out of the oven, just about to, and they called time, so no pizza. Timing's everything in the kitchen, and today I failed miserably at that. I only got 2 plates up. Guess my only chance is if someone did worse.
Disaster stations. I didn't give my fish enough time to cook. Epic fail. I've only got myself to blame. I hope that I've got enough and it tastes good enough to get me through. Just cross my fingers and learn by my mistakes if I get another chance.
Good effort, everyone. We're now going to taste your dishes one by one. Each of your takeaways will be scored out of 10 with a total of 30 points up for grabs. Josh will taste the burgers, I'll taste the fish and chips, and Ray and Michael will share the pizza.
We walk up and put it in front of them and I'm just like, oh man. You know, it's one thing that if you like it, being an amateur cook, and then here you have this amazing group of men with such high calibers as far in the culinary world. Is it good enough for them?
Charlene, I have to say, it all looks really nice. What do we got here?
My burger is a beef burger served with salsa that has pineapples and mangoes and tomatoes. Fish and chips is a pan-fried bread crusted with tomato relish again with tartare sauce. Pizza is prawns, salami and basil.
Thank you, Charlene.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm happy. Full of flavour, sweetness from the fruit, burger patties cooked beautifully. Delicious.
Well, I've got to tell you, a Fijian should know how to cook fish. And my God, has she done a good job of this.
Look, the base is great. The flavour of the tomatoes is really fresh.
Presentation fantastic.
Presentation's great.
Sauce right out to the edge.
And I'm getting just a little bit of chili or pepper, which is giving this a really nice edge. This woman can cook. How'd you go today, Al?
Hard work today.
What have you got here for us?
Blue cheese steak burger, lemon crusted fish with parmesan chips, and a meat lover's pizza.
Presentation is a little bit underwhelming. I mean, it's been a bit tough for you so far. You've been on the knife edge, haven't you?
I started off with a disaster before I even started cooking. I managed to fall over coming out of the pantry. It certainly set the mind at a different rate than it should have been. But,
right.
I'm not using it for an excuse. I just never got back on top of it again.
I tried the piece of sirloin first. You know, that is a beautiful cut of meat. It tastes like liver.
It looks like liver. Meat lovers, it looks like dog lovers.
I don't even think that this fish and chips is worthy of a comment.
He said he was cooking for his 9-year-old grandson, and he definitely is.
Well, I think as Ray put it, they were underwhelmed.
There's something missing, and I just think it's the stomach pump.